Python, any method for data analysis. I'm currently going through the book called Python for Data Analysis. There's a part about finding outliers and it looks something like this: check the code. Although it doesn't look hard at first glance, it made me realize that I don't really understand Python's any function, even though it appears to be easy. Most resources I check just mention things like any is a built-in function in Python 3, to check if any of the items of an iterable 14 is true. It takes one argument, iterable. Source, this URL. This simple definition I understand by in this example. How is the number 1 an iterable? I've checked the code and it does somehow require this one. Also, the Python documentation only mentions it being a built-in function that takes an argument in the parenthesis, which is an iterable. However, there is lacking information of how any is used as a method like in the example below. Python documentation for built-in functions. This URL. Please could someone enlighten me? Main parts of the questions have been bolded for clarity.
You are confusing the built-in function any with the numpy function numpy.any. They have the same name because do the same thing, but are different functions and require different arguments. Numpy arrays can be multidimensional. The one in your case is the axis on which perform the operation. If you are confused by the missing iterable, remember that numpy.any is a method. The first argument is the object which call the method. Data.any1 is equal to numpy.any data 1. Example. No axis provided, any acts on the full 2D array. Axis equals 0. Any is performed on each column, result is 1 value per column. Axis equals 1, any is performed on each row, result is 1 value per row.
That is because the any you have here is not the built-in one, but rather the numpy one. In you console try. And to see the difference. Any in your case is the axis to check if any value along said axis evaluates to true.